So this is how you create an interactive PowerPoint presentation. First, you open a blank PowerPoint template and you go ahead and simply type the title of the story or the questions that you would like to ask. So I'm actually going to type sounds at school. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add a new slide. And right here at the top, this is just for purposes of showcasing how to do this. I'm actually going to type the question, and you can of course enlarge it however large you would like to make it based on your student need. So I am going to actually open the sample lesson plan, and I'm actually going to type this question right here. Actually, I'm gonna go to number 2 because I already did number 1 in a previous video. So number 2 says, Tina hears the blank below. So I will type that here. I'll actually change it to number 2 as well. Tina hears the, and then just a little blank below. And then I'm gonna get rid of this text box, and this is where I am actually going to add my 2 choices. I'm adding only 2 choices, but you are more than welcome to add 3, 4, however many options you would like to present. So notice I'm simply just dragging the images from my desktop as big as I would like. That way the student can see. And you can even go ahead and add kind of like an outline to it, so that way the image is much more defined for the student. So actually let me go here, and I'm just gonna change the thickness, and I would like it to be red. I'm just gonna copy that same outline to the other option. Okay. Once you have set up your question, you need to make sure that you include 2 additional slides. One slide should be the try again slide, and your other slide will be the great job, keep going. So I'm just gonna make yellow for try again, and I will type try again. We don't want to say wrong because it just doesn't make students feel motivated to keep trying. So try again, and I'm actually going to grab, I have an image here that symbolizes, I should try again. Okay, and you can make it again as big or as small as you would like. And then my other slide, I'm going to get rid of these text boxes, and I'm actually going to make it a green background because it's nice and colorful, and I will add great job. I'm just copying that text box because it still conserves the size. Great job. Okay, and I'm going to add an image that shows great job. So I'm just choosing this one. It's very positive. Okay. So now that we have all of these slides, we have to go back to our second slide. And obviously the first answer, the whistle, is what Tina hears. So I am going to make this image. So notice I'm right clicking on it, and I am going to go to action settings. I am going to program it that as soon as that button or that picture is clicked on, you will go to slide, and you basically tell the computer that you wanted that once it's clicked on whistle, that it goes to slide 4, and slide 4 is great job. So it hyperlinks to that slide. Okay. You then do the same process. So for the ring, again, going to action settings, I'm going to click on hyperlink to, and I'm going to click slide, and I'm going to actually hyperlink it to try again. Okay, So now that I have set that up, let's see how this works. Notice how as soon as I clicked on the whistle, it went to great job. And once I click on ring, it will go to try again. Now, you notice that I wasn't able to get back to the original question. And this is why it's so important that you go ahead and add just a simple box, a simple shape right here. And you want it to say, go back. I just type go back. I'm gonna enlarge it to 30. And you guessed it, I am going to go to action settings and I'm gonna have that button hyperlink to slide 2. Okay, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to copy that button and I will also use it to go here. So I'm actually going to now play and see how it looks. So sounds at school. Here's the first question. Tina hears the blank blow. I'm going to click ring. Try again. So I go back. Tina hears the, whistle. Great job. So now it tells me to go back and I can go to the next question. Another great feature that I am not sure if you captured, but once you go to action settings, the student does not need to click. You can activate mouse over. And that just means that with the student simply just kind of hovering over the picture without actually having to click, they will activate the sound.